These Brussels sprouts were very large, so that means that I have to take off more than I do if I get small ones. The small stemmed Brussels have way less waste. Cut them in half through the stem. But keep the little leaves that fall off, because we're cooking those. These are good. Oh, the flavor and the texture of these Brussels sprouts, just hard to beat. My daughter is waiting for the telephone call to tell her that they're ready so she can come get some. She just lives 2 doors down. I started off with 1 pound of Brussels sprouts. Washed them, trimmed them, and cut them in half. Now I've got 4 cups. They weigh 12 ounces, and 1 ounce of Brussels sprouts is 7 milligrams of sodium. So our whole batch is going to have 84 milligrams of sodium, because all the other stuff we're going to use has no sodium per serving. Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday you get a brand new low sodium video, and you just never know what I'm going to be cooking. In my little bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of canola oil for high heat cooking, because we're going to cook these about 400 degrees. Got 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper in here. Now 4 cups of clean, cut Brussels sprouts in the bowl. Add our liquid to it. Oh, and we don't want to miss any of it. So, use our little spatula. Get every bit out that we can. Stir it. We've got our parchment paper ready, and the oven's hot. I do believe you're just going to love these. They're going to go on the parchment paper. And again, I'm taking my little spatula and getting all the goodies out that I can. Oh, yes. Right here. So we're going to use our fingers. Spread them out to 1 layer of thickness. They're going to go in my oven for 20 minutes. My plate is 9 by 12. I baked these for 20 minutes, stirred them, and because I like mine cooked a little bit more, put them back in the oven, 10 more minutes, took them out, stirred them, back on the parchment paper, back in my oven for 10 more minutes until they're absolutely perfect for me. Try them at 20 minutes. You might like them like that. Try them at 10 more minutes, and then 5 or 10 after that. But as long as you're going to make these, you might as well have them perfect for you. These are great for me. It's a lot of food for 84 milligrams of sodium.